Good morning guys, my name is Alex and welcome to my winter van life daily vlog. So first things first today, the van is in major need of a tidy up. Okay, all done, and as you can probably tell by the light outside, that took me quite a few hours, which is fine, but I did do in like the cupboards and stuff as well, you know, I did do all in here, and you know, these and these and these, and under here. So, but the only thing is, that doesn't really leave me much time to do anything else to this vlog. I haven't even started editing yet. You want to say something for the vlog? You got any ideas for some content for the rest of today? Editing done. Uploading. Really slowly. 27%, an hour and 5 minutes left. And then I upload to Facebook after that. Anyway, I'm hungry. I haven't even made any food, you know? I need feeding. The dogs need feeding. Dogs? Yum yum? Oh, espera, soon. I'm gonna have soup of some sort. And the dogs, I don't know what they're having yet. Broccoli, chopped at least 40 minutes before putting in water, or before cooking. You know about that? Otherwise you don't get any of its benefits. Yeah, I'm gonna link it, I'll link some info on that. It's important info, it could save your life. I'm getting very ethical this channel recently. I've been tricked. Yeah. What's this? What are you gonna do with that? Not that you probably care about what's going in this soup, but there's onions, garlic, chilli, ginger, the broccoli as we know, some salt, coriander, a little veg stock thing, and chilli. Did I say chilli? I was going to put some like pearl barley in it. But I can't find any, so I think this is couscous. That might just like, you know, make it a bit more substantial. I don't know if these should really go in soup, but it's getting wrinkly. So I'm gonna, you know, I'm gonna use it. And cook. This is not a cooking show, by the way, it's just, you know, just ran out of stuff today. Whoa, that couscous really grows, doesn't it? Didn't expect that much at all. Well, that's good. Alright guys, I'm going to end the vlog there. I know it's been a short one, but you know, sometimes the day just doesn't lend itself to vlogging. And that's the reality of it. See you on the next one. Oh, see you on the last one.